Next experiment, we need a bowl containing water, a glass cup, two precisely. You can use a plastic cup as well, and an empty bowl. Then you need a straw. So this will serve as our own straw for the experiment. So the first thing we do is to immerse the cup inside water and fill it with water. So when we fill it with water, we then hold it end to end. We hold it end to end. So when we've achieved that, we'll bring it out, then we'll transfer it to this. Be careful. Be careful. So that's the first part of the experiment. We might need to shift the water now so we can see this. So now that's the first part of the experiment. The down part is filled with water. That's the down cup is filled with water. The up part is filled with water as well. But this up one is not discharging to the down part. So it's a question we'll answer later on in the class. We shall see the science behind this. That the water on top is not discharging to the bottom, despite the fact that the up cup is filled with water. So it's a question that we shall answer later on in the class. So that's the first part of the experiment. The second part of the experiment is that we shall discharge the water from the cup on top without touching the cup. So how we shall do this? We will find a spot here where we can actually discharge the water from. So with this, we'll supply air to it and then we'll discharge the water. So let's see. But you have to take it easy. So that's the down part going. Be very careful so you don't push the cup down. So the water is going down gradually. The answer is air pressure. Inside the cup, the water tries to find a way of escape to go down to the down cup, exerting pressure on the down cup. This pressure is what we regard as the water pressure. However, we have the air pressure acting all around the cup. It acts in a direction to hold the water in place. But because the water pressure is equal to the air pressure, the water remains intact. That is, the water remains in the up cup without going down to the down cup. Initially, I said that the water pressure is equal to the air pressure, and that is why the water remains intact. To overcome the atmospheric pressure, we'll supply air to the up cup, and that's what we just did. As we supply air to the up cup, we can now discharge the water because we've overcome the natural atmospheric pressure which is acting all around the cup, holding the water in place. So that is just what happened in the experiment. Hey, thank you for viewing. I am Elieze. I want to see you in our next episode. In our next episode, we shall do the water balloon experiment. Now, do this for me. Like this video, share it, and turn on your subscription button so you can get notifications when we post new videos. Thank you.